Hi guys, it's me again. Now if you've ever had one of these fryers and you know yourself that they kick off some smells, especially around the house, but the chips are totally divine. Now this is a Tesco fryer. Now I have this, it's supposed to change to green when it's ready to go, but it doesn't do it. You can see the oil's bubbling away there. I've had the oil in a cup about 2 months now. We can have it in for ages. People say, "Oh, change the oil regularly." Yeah, you do after a while, but it will just stay longer. Anyway, let's drop these in. There we go. That's why you've got to put them in an outside building, guys. Or the garage. Garage are usually good. But the chips themselves are absolutely mint. I can't recommend them enough. Now they'll probably take about 5 minutes because the oil is so hot on it, but you just can't have it in the house. It's just like, even though I'm stood out here, I mean, I'll pull them now. That's how quick they do. 5 minutes, guys. You can have this in. I'm about to say you could literally come in from work, just stick this on in the garage. Within 10 minutes you've got nice tasty load of proper home cooked chips, and they do taste home cooked as well. As the oil gets older, they taste more and more like real chips, because fresh oil never does, and that's got crisp and dry in that one. This fryer, by the way, is, you could buy these from Tesco. This was 20 quid. So anyway, it's going super quick. In fact, I did a video, I mean, this fryer is quicker than oven chips. So, but as I say, the downside, the knob on it doesn't actually do anything. You can turn it up, turn it down. I don't know, it's supposed to turn green, but I mean, it's made in China. But these tend to last for ages, and it's got a thermal cutout on it as well. So that's it, guys. Real time, they're done. Simple as that. Nice, tasty homemade chips. Thought I'd do that one. I know if you're watching, Dan, hi to you. I know you like watching these videos, so you'd enjoy that in the shed outside. Oh, and there's another tip for you as well. If you're walking away, right, and you've got stuff to do, and you want them to keep warm, just bung that lid on and keeps them warm for an extra like 10 minutes while you do your business. Catch you later, guys.